How to get voice chat in Roblox Mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get voice chat in Roblox Mobile. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Roblox app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. So here is the thing. To enable the voice chat, first you need to verify your account. So to do that, simply tap on the More option which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in this section, simply scroll down and tap on Settings. And now here in the settings section, simply tap on account info. And now here in this section, in most of the general cases, first you need to verify your email address or phone number. And after that, you simply have to verify your age group. So simply verify those two things, and here you'll verify as you have been prompted in the app. And once you have verified that, you simply have to go back to the settings section and tap on privacy and content restrictions. And now here in this section, you can simply see the option labeled as communication. So simply tap on it. And now here in the communication section, you simply have to tap on voice chat, and you simply have to toggle on the option labeled as enable microphone. And after that, your voice chat will be enabled in Roblox Mobile. And that's it. That's how you can get voice chat in Roblox Mobile. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.